can work in trauma, I can work in surgical and orthopedic.
Yes. You are
Blue is psych. I can work with normal people and abnormal people.
Yeah.
I can do community, I can go and work in a clinic.
Yes.
I can do midwifery, I can do normal and abnormal midwifery, but I am paid peanuts. I cannot afford two things, a car and a house at the same time. I cannot even afford access to medical aid and proper medical care. Is that fair? Yet there are people who are sitting in air-conditioned offices with spinning chairs while I stand using even a udima. It's not fair. It is not fair. It is not nice. We are stressed. There is backlog of work. See abuse of M17. I'm a headline. I am mover. What we want is to be treated like people. You understand? We go above and beyond for the government, guys. We improvise. You guys don't offer us enough things. We improvise from scratch. Oh, okay, I need to do this. Yet you don't value us. You do not value us. Yes, nursing is a calling, but I come down for Nela. I figure. Yes. Monday canning coach. I'm a mandate now not to Milana on a WhatsApp or every Maliam in a character state. Minamum getting melon won't. About to buy a retrenchment, left, right, and center. Some of our family members are retrenched, but then, yeah, understand? It's not fair, guys. Yes. It is disrespectful. If you say about corner relevant people are saying, but Jenny, but in a kang and in a sugan. Sugani. But it is, we have many Wamabunu. It is said it was oppressive, but it took care of its people.
Yes. Yes.
It took care of civil servants. You're failing us dismally. Like, is it fair? We are now thinking they're chasing us out of rest. We can't afford houses. Some of the okay, I see a system, internship and community service. It was supposed to place us within so what I'm telling you is that some of us were taken, so we're going to need to surrender and that is taken for 60 shabela 7,000. What is 7? Oh,